This is facing north. It's really, really bad over Lake Michigan right now. Up to 80-mile-an-hour winds. Heavy, heavy thunderstorms. Water spouts most likely. It's very windy outside. It's very windy outside. This is from the storm that's coming towards us right now. It's getting really bad out here, windy wise and thunderstorm wise. It's supposed to thunder and lightning and have cloud to ground lightning, pea-sized hail, and winds up to 80 miles an hour. It's blowing off of the north right now, straight down the lake into Indiana, northwest Indiana. It's bad. I got the cameras rolling. I'm ready to make some money on my YouTube channel.